Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your VW Atlas key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You'll need to be inside your vehicle with access to the ignition. This process is straightforward, but attention to detail is key for success. Let's get started with the first step. Now, insert a currently working key into your ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately remove that key. Within 5 seconds, insert the new key fob you wish to program. Turn this new key to on and then quickly to off, repeating this action 4 times in rapid succession. This sequence initiates the programming mode for your vehicle. Once you've completed the 4 rapid turns, remove the new key fob from the ignition. Now, it's time to test if the programming was successful. Press any button on the newly programmed key fob, such as the lock or unlock button. If the car's lights flash or the horn chirps, congratulations, your key fob is now programmed and ready to use. If not, don't worry, we have some tips. If your key fob didn't program on the first try, don't get discouraged. Simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing of each step. It's also crucial to ensure all your car doors are fully closed throughout the entire programming sequence. Sometimes, a small detail can make all the difference. And hey, while you're checking things out, be sure to look in the description for a link to some fantastic quality socks and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.